Introducing the Learner Driving Guide, a comprehensive, easy-to-use learning platform designed specifically for learner drivers and anyone looking to improve their driving skills. Developed by a team of Grade A driving instructors with over 100 years of teaching knowledge, you can access more than 75 videos explaining every driving maneuver, from moving off to major roundabouts, slip roads to sat-navs. With our unique multi-camera system, you are in the driving seat. Each of our 42 driving lessons includes videos, diagrams, step-by-step images, as well as safety tips and how to spot potential dangers. We cover the entire DVSA syllabus, meaning you can maximize your practice with friends or family, saving time and money on driving lessons. Visit learnerdrivingguide.co.uk to sign up for manual or automatic lessons for only £9.99 per month. Subscribe for as long as you need to become a safe, confident driver for life.